Hi everybody and welcome back to All Personal on the Go here from Collision Toronto. So the best takeaway so far was from Christiana Figueroa from Mission 2020, who said, hey, you have apps for pretty much everything that exists out there, and you open your phone and you see the temperature, the weather, a lot of information that's around you, but you do not see the quality of the air that you're breathing. And that's important because you want to know if you want to stay in that city or hide somewhere in the outskirts. So, yeah, that was an interesting thought for today. And I'm heading for the center stage to hear Timbaland and hear him talk about mindset and success on your own terms. Okay, and to show you a bit of what you can hear as a noise all around me. Room full of people, a lot of conferences, workshops, a lot of discussions about everything tech, with the responsibility of using tech for a better future. So, see you.